If you are wondering if Redmi 15 has a bloatware, then the answer is unfortunately yes, we do have a bloatware on this smartphone. If you go through the initial configuration, you will pretty much immediately notice that in the app drawer you will find a bunch of different apps and games that are pre-installed for you, even though you don't really consent to have them pre-installed. For example, we have AliExpress, Amazon Music, some various different games, Booking.com, and so on and so forth. Many different apps that are installed for us. And of course, we can get rid of them, we can uninstall them, at least most of them. So if you don't like them, you can easily remove them. And some apps that are Xiaomi apps or Redmi apps, they even contain ads as well. So unfortunately, you might be bothered with these ads, which can be disabled, but it is definitely inconvenient for many people. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.